Challenges of condition-based maintenance. Condition-based maintenance requires an investment in measuring equipment and staff upskilling, so the initial costs of implementation can be high. CBM introduces new maintenance techniques, which can be difficult to implement due to resistance within an organization. Older equipment can be difficult to retrofit with sensors and monitoring equipment, or can be difficult to access during production to spot measure. With CBM in place, it still requires competence to turn performance information from a system into actionable proactive maintenance items.